I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line styled stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. But this car also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. So let's have a look around the car. Your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.